Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Zoom Desktop on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now I am going to download Zoom Desktop. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Type here in Google search bar. Download Zoom client. Press enter. Click on Download Zoom for Windows. Zoom Desktop Client. Click on Download. It is 69.8 MB software. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Let's double click on this PC. Click on Downloads. Here it is our Zoom installer setup. Let's right click on it. Click Open. Let's close Downloads. Zoom installation is in process. Click on Yes. The installation was successful. Click Done. Here it is showing three options: join a meeting, sign up, sign in. I am going to log in Zoom through Gmail, so I am clicking on Sign In. Click on Google. Type here Gmail ID. Click Next. Type password. Click Next. Click Open. Click Get Started. Click Skip. Click Let's Go. Let's close web browser. Now our Zoom meeting is installed and logged on successfully. Here it is showing Zoom meeting option. If you want to host a meeting, click on New Meeting. If you want to join the meeting, click on Join Meeting. If you want to schedule a meeting, click on Schedule. If you want to share on your laptop or desktop screen in a meeting, click on Share Screen. Let's close Zoom meeting. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install Zoom meeting on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.